Here is a newer remodeled room at Coronado Springs. Now it does have a little bit of the flair from Destino Tower, but it definitely is distinctly Coronado. I love what they've done here with the floors. Then underneath the bed, you have plenty of storage for all that luggage that you may bring. Now this one does have 2 queen beds. The option, they do not have the option to with the flip down bed like some of the other resorts have. But let's go dive into it. Nice little seating area here. What makes this different is this would be normally where they'd have a table and chairs, but they opt out because this is more of a convention resort, not really used for family use most of the time. They have the chair, a little desk and workspace, which you normally don't have at some of the other resorts. Nice size TV, your ice, and a Keurig coffee maker with, of course, some Joffreys and tea and sugars as needed. Under here you have a new style refrigerator with the see-through glass, recycling and trash cans, some drawer space. Love the artwork here. Of course, you have the 3 caballeros. Hey. Great lights over the beds. And then they also have these reading lights as well. And that's on both sides. You have your USB and standard outlets, light switches, phone. What's different about this one, of course, you have a little drawer with your Bible, is in this one, you have your in-room safe, which I like that. That's the first time I've seen that use of space right there. I think that's great instead of putting it usually in the bathroom and takes up some of that luggage space for you. Now this is an adjoined room. I can hear the other family in there, so that's something to think about as well. Definitely have some great drawer space. Love the Mickey towel there as well. Then through these doors, which I know some of the resorts, they have curtains, and some have gone through the to have that barn style door. But here is the bathroom, which I'm pretty impressed with the bathroom. I think it looks really nice. Definitely an upgrade compared to some of the other moderates. Once again, you got some towels and tons of shelf space that you normally don't have. And then here as well, of course, with your Disney soaps. Instead of having one bigger sink, they do the 2 smaller sinks, which I like. I prefer that. Of course, more towels here. See if there's anything in here. Nope, just more space for you, which is great. Then under here, just got plumbing and your hair dryer, and then just plumbing in here. But if you needed to, you definitely could use that space. And here is your closet. See, I have my suitcase in with ironing board, your iron, of course your extra pillow and blanket up here. That is sealed, so that way you know if it's been used or not. And then this bathroom's a little bit different than some of the other bathrooms around the resort. And I say that because it is not a bathtub. And I know some of the resort or some of the rooms here at Coronado Springs have the shower and bathtub, and we opted for the shower just because we prefer that in the standard commode. Then your door into here, of course, with your conditioners and soaps, and has been sealed as well. Oh, that's great. They have a little footstool there for you. Oh, and this is great. This is like a pseudo rain shower, rainforest shower. But this is a really great room. Love the space. So it does miss some of those other features if you're traveling as a family. So that you may want to think about that if you're used to having that pull down bed like they have at Pop Century and some of the other resorts, because it is just 2 queen size beds and there is no communal table, but you do have a great space here that you could split it up. And of course, another picture of the 3 caballeros right there. There you go. There's a standard room at Disney's Coronado Springs.